Hi guys, so we are here again to talk about simultaneous equations, but this time we solve using the elimination method. Now, this method is best when you have equations in this format where x and y are on one side of the equation and the constant is on the other side, like these two. So we can eliminate or remove one of the letters, then we will have one letter to solve, and it depends on whichever variable x or y has the same coefficients in both equations. Then we can eliminate that one first. Now in our case here, you see we have 3x plus 2y in the first equation and 5x and minus 1y in the second equation. So if we are going to eliminate, we can't at the moment because if we subtract y, there'll be still 1y remaining, and if we subtract x, there'll be still 2y remaining, whichever way. So we have to make sure the coefficient of the letter that we want to remove must be the same. Now here we make y to have the same coefficient or the number in front of y. Since equation 1 already has a 2y, let's make equation 2 also to have a 2y. And to do that, we multiply equation 2 by 2. We have to do it to everything in the equation so that we do not change the value of the equation, but we just increase it with a multiple of 2. So we times both sides by 2. Let's say we multiply the whole equation by 2 times 2. When we multiply, we expand. So 2 times 5x is a 10x. And 2 times negative y is a minus 2y. And 2 times 27 is a 54 on the other side. So that's how we got this second equation 2. Now you see we can eliminate y because now they have the same coefficient, 2y, 2y. Okay, since we have a positive 2y and a negative 2y, in order to get a 0, we add instead of subtract. So adding these two equations together, we are kind of doing long addition here. X and x, y and y, constant number and constant number. So 3x plus 10x gives 13x. 2y plus negative 2y is the same as 2y minus 2y. That's 0. And negative 2 plus 54 is like 54 minus 2. So it's 52. Then we divide both sides by 13. So x equals 4. Once we find x, we now substitute x equals 4 into either one of these two equations to find the y. So we have chosen equation number 1, where it has 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. And in place of x, we put this x value. So 3 times 4 plus 2y equals negative 2. That's a 12 plus 2y equals negative 2. We subtract 12 both sides. That will be 2y equals negative 14. And then we divide both sides by positive 2. So y is equals to negative 7. So these are our solution for the two simultaneous equations solved by elimination method. Now here you can always proof check your answer by substituting these two values into both equations to see if the left is equal to the right. Okay, so checking with the first equation, 3 times x 3 times 4 plus 2 times y, 2 times negative 7, must be equal to negative 2. So 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times negative 7 is minus 14 or negative 14, and 12 minus 14 is a negative 2, which confirms the equation here. So these two solutions, x and the solution x and y, works for the first equation. Now we are doing simultaneous, so it must also work for the second equation. So 5x, 5 times 4 minus y minus negative 7 must give, where's the second equation? It must give a positive 27. So 5 times 4 is 20, minus negative 7 is the same as plus 7. So 20 plus 7 is a 27. Yeah, confirm. So that's it. Our solution is confirmed to be x is 4 and y is negative 5. Okay. I want you to try out this one. Solve simultaneously by elimination and leave your answer in the comment section below. Okay, see you next time.